Billy D, prepped up, smoked out. You know what I'm talking about. This is my radio, and this is my food truck house. I tell you what, let's get you a tour of my little shack. Right here is where I sleep at right here. Of course, it won't let me sleep on until I complete all my objectives, which is to order and pick up all products needed for vending. I think once I do that, I'm going to jump right into my next session, which will be cooking the food itself. Let's see how I can do. Up in here, I have to go to upgrades first because I am in level 2 now because I've been playing for a while. Don't believe I'll be cooking it right, so I do got a good oven. Burger, not so much, so I'm going to go ahead and upgrade. Purchase that new oven. My grill, I got a good grill. Fryer, not so much, so I'm going to go ahead and order me a fryer. Tabletop, pretty sweet. Think I'm solid on my auto bag table. Shelf, I'm gonna go ahead and get a shelf. Fridge, I got a nice, really nice fridge with a lot of bins, so I like that. I'm pretty impressive. Freezer. That's my freezer right there. Keep all the cold food. Yep, so on that I'm going to go ahead and shop. Got a little shopping list right here that I need. I need to get at least a bare minimum of these to even start cook on my food truck. So first thing I'm going to do is get the buns. It said I need 16. I got 16 buns, raw meat. Go ahead and get the raw meat. Bacon. Still only need 8 bacon. Probably not too many customers would get a bacon cheeseburger. Just like regular cheeseburger, the traditional. Maybe that place where I'm going is just kind of setting their ways on getting their food, but hey, each to his own. Cheese, 12. I can see a lot of people want cheeseburger. Tomatoes, about 4. I thought maybe more people would like that, but hey, this game they know themselves. A gas bottle. It said I need at least 4. So I got the 4 gas bottles. My onion it said I need at least 4. So I did 5 minus 1. War fries. I think I'm just gonna get 16 fries. It didn't really give me a list for fries, but I'm gonna just get that anyway. The gas bottle said I need 4. 2. That's the all, not the gas bottle. My bad. The all for the fries. Ketchup. It said I need bottles with ketchup. So I need at least 4. So 2 and 2 is 4. Mayonnaise bottle, I will say by 4. I think everything else is 4. It won't let you, like I said, once again, it won't let you serve on anything. At least you get the whole full. Grocery list done. You gotta get all the orders that you need, and then, as I mentioned, once you order all your items, you have about 3 minutes or 2.30 minutes to get to this lady named Lucille with a shop where you get all the groceries from. If you don't get that discount. That discount will be the big decisive factor if you get a profit or not. So, because you're trying to get a profit, right? I got everything. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and order. Once I push purchase, like I said, I got 2.30 minutes. So if anybody in my way, people in my way who see me hitting fire hydrants, poles, or anything, that's because people in my way are trying to be haters and try to prevent me from serving Billy Joel's Smokehouse food. Let's go. Like I say, 2 point. I think about 3 minutes, 2.52 minutes. Let's go, baby. Truck station is on a pretty good one. Open garage. I don't got much time. I pretty much know where it's at. Sometimes you go to the map, but you can go to the map if you're playing this for the first time. I think whoa. Ho. Ah, I need my map. I got 1 minute 40. Like I say, I'll be hitting everything just to get my discount. I gotta make some money. Hope ain't no cars jump in front of me. Does this game kind of remind you of Grand Theft Auto? Weird, huh? Pretty sweet game, though. Boom. Discount received. I think I'm gonna put this on the shelf. Frost can stay in the freezer. Pretty content where everything else is at. Confirm. Drive to the park center point. That means I got everything. I think I'm doing pretty good. First of all, look at the map. I think I'm gonna pinpoint it. I'm right here, but I need some gas first, so go ahead and get some gas. Yep. Last time I sold, I ran out of gas. See right here, I'm trying to get to 100. Yep, lady. Not too good of a driver, but you know what? I guarantee when you eat my food, my driving is not gonna matter. Gotta find the cook spot. I think it's right up in here. Let me check. Please don't get in my way, lady. Think I'm getting good. Think I'm getting good. Now it's time to cook.
Time to make some business.
What's up, dude? What you need?
Let's get started.
First, let me get my truck ready, dude. Be with you right a second. Turn the light on. I'm not answering no phones right now, so y'all gotta get used to that. I hear the phone ringing. Put the gas bottle right here. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my fryer also while I'm at it. Just in case they order some fries. Yep. Turn on my oven. Boom. Put some boxes out there. About 3 boxes. Put you like right there. Now, I'm ready to go. Whoa. Shoo. First starter. Farmer's burger. Okay. Onions. Oh. Need an onion. Where's my onion? It should be in here. Onion. There.
job for you. Do you have some time right now?
Sure, what's on the docket?
So, go back to your garage. I will explain everything once you arrive.
Got it. I'm on my way.
And that's how you do a meal service.